Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening OneDrive, web or desktop app, and signing in with the account that stores the file. Once signed in, locate or upload the file you want to share. Drag and drop is fastest. Make sure you already know whether recipients need edit rights or view-only access, because that choice changes link settings. If you use the desktop folder, the file sync status must show as available on this device or synced before proceeding. Now, right-click the file to begin the share workflow. You now configure the sharing link. Click Share and select the link scope, anyone, people in your organization, or specific people, because scope limits who can use the link. Next, set permissions. Choose Can Edit for collaborative work or Can View to prevent changes. Toggle Download if you want to block local copies. To tighten security, set a link expiration date or add a password. Once settings match your intent, either copy the link or enter recipient emails and include a short instruction. You finish by sending the link through OneDrive or pasting it into your preferred email or chat. Include brief context so recipients know what to do. Once sent, confirm access. Ask recipients to open the file and tell you if they can edit or only view. If someone reports a problem, check the link scope and permissions first, and then verify organizational conditional access or guest restrictions. Often changing scope to specific people or toggling download resolves it quickly. If needed, regenerate a new link and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.